Okay, my people, now welcome back to my channel. How una dey? I hope una dey fine. How everything? I hope everything dey fine with una. For me, as una dey see, I dey fine. I thank God for everything. My people, I don't come back again with another news, another ogbonge one. Wey be say, if you see this one, my people, it go chocolize you. Everywhere don't read, my people. I say only me one not go see this video. Make una also see this video, make una settle down, watch this video till the end. I beg my people also, if you never subscribe to this channel, what do you they wait for? As you they subscribe, you could see more video like this one. Okay, my people, I beg, make una subscribe, like and share. For this junction, I go to leave una. Make una watch the video, and I go also see you now for the next one. Okay, my people, see you all. Stay blessed. Stay cool, and I love you all, and bye-bye.
Mr. Vince's Ecoswing Electrical Engineering.
Yeah. Yes, my people. Here do the news more. Can you want to hear Wabota Wabobia?
I've been a guy.
I wear a woman. I have a one and Roy. So that is from Kojo. Why I will say. You know, you might have and then at least I do we are just doing all we can to get the best out of our tradition. So everybody knows the ambassador I'm sitting down with, Ambassador JJ Barry, the CEO of JJ Barry Conglomerate, and also the CEO of Edo Festival in London, worldwide. You know, come. Yeah. Okay. So JJ Barry, last year, 2019, I went to festival.
2 years ago.
2 years ago, last year, because of the coronavirus, COVID, my mind was up, but nothing really happened. And this year, making it the 10th year, Loki exists in the United Kingdom. So we are here to talk about it. No matter me, if you do the United Kingdom, if you do the Ragbon, what we are expecting in this Edo Festival and Award, not in London on the 18th of September. This time is going to be very big, very
massive.
big, massive. So we are pleased to announce to you that we're going to be bringing up to 10 musicians.
Yes, sir. 10 years anniversary.
10 years anniversary. 10 musicians from Edo.
Shut down
London. 10 musicians. I say that where I may not serve all the Saturday.
Of course.
Also, you don't. I know the almost the Saturday.
Yes,
I think people will be shocked now with the character where this time is 10 old musicians
10.
coming in less than 3 weeks to London. And we will not say the name, but so it's for you people to digest it.
Digest with that.
With that, at least for 10 musicians to be coming this time to London. Because of the COVID, you can only fly to London with just 2 airlines, which is Virgin and British Airways. So you should know how much the ticket, the visa, everything is going to be costing. So when I be going now, I see my do. Nobody so let me see that Baba gas support. So that at the end of the day, out the back boy they can 10 musicians in that day now. That is something really big. It's going to be going on.
Okay, now 2 years don't.
I know. And this time, Dokpa, some musician day.
Yes. Afema
day. Isako. Then Edo, Iviedo, Yande. So wherever the very manner, we should share it and let our brothers, whenever they're in London, who have a family in London, call them and let them know.
It's worldwide.
It's worldwide.
Edo Festival, America.
Yeah, I know. Those that cannot come, or my sister, Edo Festival, so no, my material, I are supporting Yana. It's going to be taking place on the 18th. The 10 musicians in Akedo Day. You guys are going to be shocked with the musicians that are coming. 10 musicians all day.
Yes.
So and it's not easy task. So all we just need, we need prayer and support. What the little you can support with, at least we have a share the page where we want to London. We will see where material festival. At least the turn up. Maybe we'll still increase more. So I know. You know? This is not showing up. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Like this. If you turn like this, okay, like this. Yeah, like this, that's good now. So we are expecting 10 musicians. So JJ Barry, now we go.
If you don't know Zomo, Esha Oye. Esha Oye. So when Wanitawe is Benin affair. Right now, it's not only Benin affair anymore.
Yes, it's a Edo festival.
Exactly, it's Edo affair.
Yeah.
We, by the grace of God, we have musicians from the 3 Central District,
Yeah.
Nore, Edo State. So Esako, Edo, Benin, and everybody will be present live. You know, just for the sake of us to celebrate our rich culture and heritage. Edo Festival, you know, we keep saying it.
At all.
Because the general concept of this event is just for us where once in a year, we will celebrate a rich cultural heritage of the man. I understand it. So raw for many years, but Edo Festival because the festival we maybe 30 years, 40 years. The festival, you know, a reunion center. The one that another maybe a musician raw, cultural dance raw, comedy show raw, film exhibition raw, a lot of things raw. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but the day Friday, you know, the 18th. All why the main dance
of the show, yeah.
So you have to go and get your dancing shoe. The festival is not just for only when you rain London, when you England.
It's UK generally.
All over the world.
All over the world.
You can try to come because it's a 10 years anniversary, so obviously it's going to be a memorable one.
Of course.
So imagine 10 years, 10 musicians on one stage.
On one stage.
Hey,
it's going to be the stage on fire.
On fire.
Stage on fire.
You know, listen, energy.
So
you are
listening. So now we start dropping one track, man. Dropping one track, man. So
exactly.
I guess they want to so we have to start now.
So relax and just listen.
Yeah, so
you don't worry. We are getting a glass of wine so that when I play one, we are going to track after the track, how we do go on.
Exactly.
So you don't know you do the music.
So we have to start now.
you are careful.
Yes, sir.
So this is the intro.
Intro. So we are going to number 2.
Keep counting.
Keep counting.
Ìbáwọ̀ bùkàn ẹ̀ẹ́dì fún àwọn ọ̀kàwé náà ní ọjọ́ wẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀kẹ́ ló yẹ bèbè. Ìbáwọ̀ bùkàn ẹ̀ẹ́dì fún àwọn ọ̀kàwé náà ní ọjọ́ wẹ̀rẹ̀ ọ̀kẹ́ ló yẹ bèbè. Wàgìmọ̀ ní ẹlẹ́fọ̀ wa, ó agbára náà yẹ yọ, wàmọ́ tó lè ẹ̀kọ́ méje, ó lè fi yàn kó.
Now let's go to our Isha. Isha, oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Isha, oh yeah! Yeah, Isha.
Let's go.
because if now I this is exclusive. Exclusive.
So let's go to number 4.
You are privileged to get this exclusive.
We are going to number 4. Number 4.
Number 4.
Go pull out the man. Go.
Number 4.
Rolex International. But it can never be changed. Don't you power to no say that moment. When the days are over, when you want to go, on some of the other para para no ya people. When no one forever, what do you do? So what me like you really? What do you do? So
Yes. Let's go to the next one. The number 5.
This one.
No. We have to give it there. Let's go to number 5. Yes, so let them know what they are expecting. Number 5.
Are you paying more than £150 a month on your credit cards, but balances just aren't going to...
Number 5.
When it comes to Jesus, I know they use and play. I say when it comes to Jesus, so I know they use and
Let's go, man. We're here, man. Yo, man.
I'm loving this already. I'm loving this.
Yes, sir.
I'm loving this.
The stage is going to be on fire. Fire.
Yes, sir.
Fire.
Yes, sir. Another shutdown.
Yes, sir.
DJ. Another sold out event.
Yes, sir.
Guarantee. Hey.
Hello. Sorry to bother you. Yeah. I'm Maxi. I'm just
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Okay, bye.
So this is number 7. Number 7.
We no kwano sama, kome mariedwe, roe oke no sam, no nasui masena, sama geya ne mata, osani magabo, osani magabo, osani magabo.
My question is,
Yes.
if you are not these events, where would you be? If you can afford to miss this kind of event, where would you be? Would you forgive yourself?
So
Question mark.
let's play our number 8.
8.
Richard Sayume Generame.
So you guys are expecting? After my oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Subscribe now for more Afema Media.
Afema, this Afema, okay, do this one. My place.
Asian, Benin, brothers and sisters, you guys should get ready. This is what you're going to be expecting on that fateful day. If you're not here, I wonder where you're going to be.
You are going to be missing a lot.
Missing a lot.
So it's going to be fun. Imagine all this, our superstar, our legends on one stage.
Ah, man.
Wow. This one, before I'll be love okay the best one.
Another 10 years again.
Another 10 years before.
Another 10 years again, okay, best one.
Yeah.
Only way home, I own a mirage.
Of course.
So how you doing?
Phone ambassador.
This is another sister's formation.
That is number 10.
Number 10.
enough now. All right, good money. Hey, God.
So today, and for the musician, and we're going to be coming back for the culture, the cultural dance.
Very, very important.
We're going to be coming out for that. So that you're going to see a lot of our cultural dance that's going to be displaying that day.
Very, very important.
From Benin and from Ishan.
All over.
All over.
All over.
So we want to say thank you to everybody for taking time to watch us this afternoon. Please help us spread this good news.
Very, very important.
Like Nikaha, more will still come.
Of course.
On our Remami wedding, so it's stage by stage. So we're going to be doing the best we can.
Yes.
To make everything goes on.
Very, very important.
So all we need from you guys is just the prayer and support. That's all.
We're not asking for too much.
Not too much. Just the prayer and support. That's all.
I hear the news when the body matter. The mezedo. Because when I say, "Oh my, we." What's your saying? Mezedo.
Amazedo.
Awi. I tell you better when you go. When the pakakabo from because if not for you guys, I man.
Yeah.
Koni wa mama mie, o be ran. Of course. So I think my case can marry say na do wa. Maya se mana so big ben hina gbalaka na ke we ugina do festival an award ugyo nyeme ugie ne all the year home away from home. You know, so wala wo this is the 10th anniversary. So okay no to be honest, we have to go out of our way to make sure where mama make it extraordinary. Of course. So the best you guys can do for us is to come out in mass to support us. Koniwa adu me mana me odon so when my we na wo mana do support man.
Next year we are coming
out now. You know, I couldn't get an abonne na tell matter.
Of course.
Do festival the United Kingdom. All the year na do day. The year that we look forward to.
Of course.
Once in a year.
Yeah.
So which you know, for you guys to be there. You know, allow we go why do you the win see. We do one hina ikwedo ikwe and hina wala wo why get we wala wo no wala dia na why you be na no get was so bobo you have to wa gwalo orewa you know a whole man oye tower.
This time is massive.
Oye na stadium
Have you where you are one ka we mu ja ya gbe o no shake
it so wala wo na make sure we all you need our fun because this is 10 years anniversary. Amazing.
So so we no can give you don la now no out of that that was very fast of course fast of ladia I wait to my lucky man the we warude mani the review already waladia
warude do
unu na feni edo do power oba ato and you guys don't forget the other segment of Esther European Tour. Oswena is kicking up on Saturday, 28th in Paris.
I'm going to be there.
We're going to be there live.
Yes, EBAGUA is going to be there.
We have the Successful family there.
Successful family,
everybody's going to be there.
Every one of us is going to be there to represent.
France, you come out in mass. Germany, we are coming. Italy. And we just know Italy, we are coming.
Kọ́ni bàbá náà túrú àti ọ̀nà yẹn wá.
So we are coming.
The train is on, so award the knee.
It's gonna be running about.
The man there,
Of course.
Any country no more award the knee.
Yes.
We have a big surprise for them.
Yes, of course.
I'm not going to say that now. Even Anna say it. But any country no really more what damage a surprise in him, man, I will surprise in him.
Okay, good.
I'm giving you my word.
Why have a fair? Why I watch him? Why I got the video?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Spread the word around.
Salobo Adebawa.
Yes.
Ọba àtọ́pẹ́.
He said.